Alright guys, here's the Odyssey. All we have to do, it's running and all that, all we have to do is just some finishing touches stuff, and then she's gonna be ready to drive. Some of that stuff, we gotta hook the light up, we gotta do a kill switch, you can see all the wires hanging out like that. What else do we need to do? Honestly, it's done, the brakes hooked up, all that stuff. So, really just a few, oh, stickers, I need some more stickers on the plastic too. Air filter, stuff like that, so let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is get this snorkel box all mounted up. So we did some of the metal work before, so it should slide on pretty easily. It's still kind of a snug fit, but there we go. Sweet. I just got some washers and lock nuts, and those will just go right up in here. And then we'll work on plumbing.
So these are some reproduction stickers. They're pretty beautiful, and we're just going to start applying them to everywhere they're supposed to go. This is high pressure.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Perfect.
I do one letter at a time, dog.
Alright, this is high stakes. I swear if I mess this up, I'm gonna have to start.
I've never had more pressure in my life, to be honest.
It's off a little bit. Let's see. That's not bad.
Oh, that looks so good though.
I know, don't put this one on upside down.
Oh, watch out.
That's not.
Freaking Texas, oh my god.
A little cameo appearance from a fly.
Hey, yo, what? Hold on.
Uh-oh. Alright, the stickers look amazing. And we got this air box snorkel installed. Run up to our little air filter right here. And just one more zip tie will finish this thing off.
Yeah. Just goes right down there. Curves around there. We kind of had to do some jerry rigging of getting that into there. But I mean, we just made sure it didn't restrict airflow too much. I mean, it is a snorkel. But yeah, because this is a 79, and 79s didn't have the snorkels, but we're kind of doing a OEM plus resto on this, so snorkel box it is. We just got all the screws in to hold in our kind of this plastic cover for the steering wheel, and it's so good. Like, so kill switch is gonna be here, lights go here. The lights wire in directly to the motor, so there's no battery. So we'll wire it into this KC light. We got just like the power wire that needs to go to that, and a couple of grounds we need to hook up. But kill switch will just be like a push button. You hold it and it'll cut the ignition, and this will just be lights on, lights off. So sweet, brakes are hooked up too. Throttle's all good to go. We're getting full throttle, full return, so we're getting there. It looks so good.
Okay, so we got our kill switch hooked up and our light switch hooked up. The only problem is that this is a 12 volt light, since the second gen Odysseys had a 12 volt system, but this is a first gen, so it has a 6 volt system, so this light won't work, but we just ordered another one, so we'll get that in really soon, and then we'll be able to see at night.
Wait, push.
So
Wait, push down. Okay, go left.
oh my god. Good stuff. I know.
Yeah.
So right now we're just getting, we can't really see it, but it's one of the belt covers. Goes right in there. And then there's this one that goes
I got it.
underneath. That's kind of a skid plate kind of thing for the transfer case and all that. But is there anything else we need to do before we're ripping this thing?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. So, with that being said, guys, next time we see you, we'll hopefully be finally driving this Odyssey. I'm so excited.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What? Alright, the lighting's really good. Normally do this at the end, but hit the montage. Putting our Go Power Sports harness to work.
That's
there we go.
There you
Helmet.
go.
Helmet. Big seat, big helmet friendly. I hope you guys like that GoPro footage. Like, give them a build breakdown of the bike. What is it?
It's just a 06 XR650 with a larger 6-gallon gas tank for longer range and desmogged. So it's pretty standard setup.
Hey, let's let it rip there, Chip. Guys, so it is a different, it's probably about a week after we filmed that last part. Basically what happened was we put it around for a little bit and then it died, but thanks for your guys' comments. We put a new coil in it, and then we also just readjusted. The jets were fine, they were stock, I think it was like 120. So those are all good. We're pretty sure it's running good. We also like hooked up the crankcase vent just down into a little filter, so that leaned it out a little bit. So now it should be running pretty good. So let's fire it up. We don't have that much daylight left, but there's plenty of time for ripping.
Okay, now that we got everything fixed, this thing just starts on the first pull. Let's see.
Woo, baby! Alright, so this thing is sick. I mean, it's definitely down on power. I think it's either a little too rich. I think it's definitely probably way too rich. But yeah, it has good top speed, but it's just bogging, and then when you get on it, it really starts to pull. Dude, that seemed like it launched pretty hard.
Yeah, I mean, it launches hard, and then it feels like the torque converter springs are like fatigued or something. Like it launches really hard, then immediately no power, and then it starts going, and then at a high rev range, it feels kind of like in its power.
Well, hey, dude, at least she's driving. Like,
that's true.
This is sick. I think, yeah, this is cool. I think we'll just get a bunch of footage of just ripping this thing, and then we'll conclude this video right here. So right now we're at 1.5 out on the idle, and it seems to be running pretty good, right?
Yeah, the air fuel.
Yeah, or not idle, air fuel, sorry, but it literally, I mean,
that's like stock specifications,
yeah,
and it seems right.
Yep. So cool, I guess. Torque converter stuff, I think it's very similar to the 780 kit that Go Power Sports sells. But I think right now we'll just have some fun, enjoy. We put a lot of hard work into this thing, and we just really want to drive it, even if it's not at 100%, at least if it's not running too rich or too lean. Maybe the torque converter will snap into place, but it pulls hard. I want Jason to get a shot of me freaking launching into the distance. right, guys. Thanks for watching. I mean, low on power or torque converter or not, whatever. This thing absolutely rips. Let us know what you guys think. Also, so I don't know if it'd be either too rich or too lean. If it's, because it's like the middle of the RPM range right before power band, there's not that much there. So what really happens is it hard launch, then in the middle there, it's just nobody home really, and then you get up into that higher RPM range and it just hauls. So let us know what you think in the comments. You guys helped us out a lot. We figured out it was the coil as well as some carburetor float issues. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Go Power Sports. Tires, seatbelt, shocks, I mean, what else? All, fuel tank, fuel line, fuel filter, everything. You build your Odyssey from Go Power Sports, save some money. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and see you when we get the DG pipe on this thing, as well as do some off-roading and some more tuning with this thing.